Shubor nakaslem jong unong Saiñ Hima.
Ka All Assam Gurkha Students Union kadon ya kijing angnut bat kijing Thrang ba ka Langpih kan donno hapdeng kasuk kasañ ya kani lapan pau da Uram Kumar Shrestha Assistant Secretary ka All Assam Gurkha Student Union ha kijing don lang u Arjun Chetri President Central Body habakren hikilat pathai kubor halangpi utai unong elam ulapan pauru ya kijing sngau kemen bagi arngut ki Menteri Rangba jong kajela Assam bat Mikhalaya kilawan ban yu kejat halangpi bat ulapan pau ya kijing kermen ba na kacai kijing elang kan sapen mi ya uso ubat yang namar kalangpi kedai kajaka ba mi kha kijing ya kajia bat kijing jia ke bas ngausi kabalak taru ya karoi kapar ha katai katany ba ki pajba kedai ban yo jing mentoy Shushu ulo ongru ba nakaliang jong ka Gurkha Student Union kakwa bakan don ka syongsuk syongsañ ha kani katany bat ban ailat iki kampen roy bakin yat bej kidak mi lentiru ba sian kasuk kasañ kan sawanra ha kini kitany da ka jingsim kya ki arngut ki Menteri Rangba haba pen pawlo ruput usam uni unong elam ula pen pawru da ka baong ba ngisania ha ka jingelam jong Menteri Rangba ka Assam ba unsyem ya karai daga ba perkhat lang ya ki jaj ban riu ke basyong halangpi bat kaseng kan sapej bat bishar balada ka don ke jing bom hun ngin ha ban syem ya ki sinjam bat ban ya keren.
We are very grateful today that both the CM, Honorable CM of Assam, Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma, as well as the Honorable CM of Meghalaya, Honorable Sri Kornak Sangma, what has been present today in this meeting. So definitely we are hoping, we Gurkha Student Union, we are hoping for a fruitful result. Because you see, Langpih issue is a long issue. Here, in long back past, different kinds of unsocial activities, incidents, unfortunate incidents has taken places here, which means instruct the development of the community residing here. So we as a Gurkha Student Union, it has been a long demand that people residing over here, whatever caste creed it may be, they should live peacefully. There should be a social progress, there should be an educational progress, there should be social activities. All community residing here should live peacefully. Definitely the harmony and integrity will prevail after this meeting we expect here, and this issue has been pending for a long back, and Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma has been taking initiative not only as a CM but also when he was in different portfolios long back. He has been taking initiative for the development of this area. We Gorkha people are residing here in a large number. Definitely we hope that we people in coming days would live in a peaceful environment over here. We have to examine it because we have great faith in what the CM. Definitely our CM, Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma, will take the decision in the favor of Assam, in the favor of our community, in the favor of the people residing over here, whoever may be it may be. But whatever the decision is taken, definitely we will examine. And if we are not satisfactory about it, we will take out our decision and speak about it.